of the entire committee of the national and international seminar who had hard work to prepare the seminar with good, and especially to all the guests of this seminar.
Terima kasih kepada pihak Universitas Trisakti yang sudah berhasil menyelenggarakan sesi internasional ISAIME ini yang pertama, yang merupakan sesi internasional bagi bapak-bapak atau ibu-ibu yang ingin menyampaikan paper dalam bahasa Inggris dan akan terindeks pada Scopus yaitu IOP.
Develop another profession, another nomenclature of human resources. What is that? The human resources which can translate between innovation, research to industry, and this need special a type of human resources, and we do not have that. So if in this symposium also can discuss after innovation, new type of research results, new type of machinery product, but from the university or research centers, then how this can be brought to industry and who are responsible person? Because the character of researchers, the pure researchers, will be different with those who are in industry. So we need a translator who can translate from research, innovations to industry. Of course, there are many things, and I will not continue for my speech, otherwise I have to talk, maybe it can be 3 credit semester, so I have to stop here. So, ladies and gentlemen, again, before I'm closing, I'm really happy and congratulate for this symposium, and I hope that the result will be beneficial for all of us and also for the society.
Last year, I look forward to further development of joint activities between Indonesia and JSME in the near future. One of the main purposes to hold such an international symposium and seminar is to allow engineers working in the same field to discuss topics face-to-face with each other.
The keynote speakers for our seminars today are not able to attend our keynote today. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to invite Dr. Yanti Selamat Aryo Bimo to the podium.
And this is our vorticities measured by PIV, particle image velocimetry. Vortices generated by elastic fin, it is larger than by rigid fin. So elastic fin, it gets larger propulsion force, 180 degree, and best maximum attack angle is 30 degree.
Also design UT involves designing products and spaces so that they can be used by the widest range of people possible, which means old people, young people, physically handicapped, and so on. And there are 7 rules, basic rules. First one, equitable use, which is fair to everyone.
Efisiensi productivities, 90 technologies. Nah di sini 9 teknologi kunci yang ada di Industri 4.0 ini, 5 diantaranya adalah dari mechanical engineering yang bagaimana kita nanti bisa kita manfaatkan dengan baik, dan beberapa nanti ada contoh-contoh yang kita lakukan di ITB. Karena otomasi tentunya akan bisa meningkatkan efisiensi yang cukup tinggi. Kemudian market dan bisnis model yang berbeda. Kalau zaman dulu sistemnya adalah kita stok sebanyak mungkin, customer beli habis baru kita buat lagi. Sekarang just in time, based on customer order.
The first 3 itu ada complex problem solving, critical thinking, dan creativity. Dan mohon masukan dari Bapak untuk terkait dengan 3 hal ini.
The applications of the Industry 4.0 in the farming, in the agriculture, is what we call right now is the precision farming.
So as a mechanical engineers, obviously we can plan, we can monitor, we can do reactive corrective actions.
Which one? It's fast. Which one? It's fast. Which one? That one? Next. Okay.
Just tell us.
Bagaimana, jalan apa?